Hi, welcome to our learning goal number 1. My name is Mr. Ko, and today we will find out how to find the percentage of a number using models. Let's get started. Alright, so before we start, if you can grab some paper, pencil or pen, and what you can expect in this video is we'll do 3 practice problems. We'll do 2 together and you'll do 1 by yourself. And please take notes with these problems. If at all during the video you need to pause or stop, please feel free to do that as well. Alright, so let's start with the first practice problem. What is 30% of 50? Now we're using models to help visually represent our numbers. So this is a bar model. We have 100% here. And if you notice down here, there's 10 little boxes that are 10%. These add up to be 100%. So for our purposes, we want to figure out, can we divide this number 50 by 10? So we get 5. What that does is, here's our number 50. We divided it by 10 and got 5. So each 10% is equal to 5. Now we look at 30%. Well, it's just 10% and 10% and 10%, or 3 boxes, and that's the same thing as 3 boxes down here. So we have 5 plus 5 plus 5, which is 15. So to review, we found 30% of 50 by using a bar model. We divided our number 50 by 10 and got 5. And we compared 30% here with what 30% would be down here, which is 5 plus 5 plus 5, and that's 15. Our next problem is, what is 60% of 350? Again, we'll use a bar model. We divide our number, which is 350, into 10 pieces, if you will. So we'll divide our number 350 by 10. And we get 35. We then take our number 350, divide that up by 10, so we have 35, 35, 35, 10 times. And we want to know what 60% is. So what we do is we go ahead and figure out what 60% is, which is 6 of these 10% boxes. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Which is also equal to 35, 35, 35, 35, 35, 35, which equals 210. To review, we found that 60% of 350 is 210 because we divided 350 by 10 to split them up into 10% pieces, and we found that each 10% piece is 35, and 35 6 times is 210. You can also do 35 times 6 as well. Our third and last problem is, what is 40% of 70? Why don't you go ahead and solve this one on your own. Thanks so much, and remember, everyone makes mistakes. Mistakes are normal.